जय हिंद दोस्तों। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप प्रीलिम्स 2024 की प्रिपरेशन जोरों शोरों से कर रहे हैं। बट हमारे इस प्रिपरेशन जर्नी में क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हम बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं। एंड उसमें से एक टॉपिक है साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का, जो लास्ट मोमेंट रेलीगेट करने के कारण अक्सर छूट जाता है। तो इसी चीज़ को रोकने के लिए आज मैं आपका होस्ट नमन राज गुप्ता विद दिस चैनल यूपीएससी बाय नमन राज गुप्ता आज एक कंप्लीट सीरीज फॉर प्रीलिम्स 2024 लेके आया हूं, जिसमें सिर्फ 5 मिनट पर डे मैं आपसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं, जिससे हम एक टॉपिक पर डे साइंस एंड टेक की करेंगे। एंड आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस सीरीज यू विल एश्योर योर 28 to 30 marks for sure in your preliminary examination. As you can see in this particular graph, that each year the weightage of prelims exam is being enhancing, right? In last 10 years, minimum of 13 to 15 questions from science and technology portion has been asked. So without any further ado, let's get started with this first topic. And the first topic is three-parent baby. Why this is in news? Recently, a three-parent baby is born using the DNA of three parents in the UK. And what is the technique that is used? It is basically mitochondrial donation treatment procedure. We will do it in very detail, don't worry. What is three-parent baby, right? So three-parent baby refers to a child conceived with the genetic materials of three individuals, right? Usually in normal cases, in any child, there is a genetic material of mother and father. But in three-parent baby, there is a genetic material of three parents. That is, one donor mother is added. Why we are doing this? What is the purpose? The purpose is basically to prevent the transmission of mitochondrial diseases. As you can see in this particular picture, the mitochondrial diseases like diabetes, blindness, deafness, and all the neurological disorders like seizures and etc., which can even take a life of a child. Just to prevent mitochondrial diseases, we are doing this mitochondrial donation therapy. Okay, what is mitochondrial disease? So mitochondrial disease is basically genetic disorder which affects the mitochondria. Okay, it is genetic disorders which affects the mitochondria. Why mitochondria is important? Because mitochondria is energy producing structure in a cell. It is a powerhouse of a cell that we have been studying since our childhood, right? So it is a kind of power generator that gives or provide power to the cell in order to grow, right? And what is the process of transmission? So basically the mitochondria is passed from mother to child, right? This particular disease, that is mitochondrial disease, is basically passed from mother to child. So one question can be asked in prelims, right? Like one of the option can be given in the prelims. Is mitochondrial disease transmitted from father to child? No, it is wrong. It is only transmitted from mother to child and not the father to child, right? So what is mitochondrial DNA? So as in any normal individual, there are two kinds of DNA that we inherit from our parents. One is nuclear DNA and second is mitochondrial DNA. What is the purpose of nuclear DNA? Through nuclear DNA, we basically inherit all the traits, characteristics of our parents. And in mitochondrial DNA, we basically inherit mitochondria from our mother, right? To provide power to the cells. Right, it is separate from nuclear DNA and it is only inherited maternally. What is function? Again, it is energy production and cellular function. Until and unless our cell don't end up getting energy from the mitochondria, it will not grow, right? It will not grow. And if it will not grow, it can lead to the malfunctioning of organ or organ failures, right? So what is mitochondrial replacement therapy, through which this three-parent baby is born? So basically the goal of this mitochondrial replacement therapy is to replace defective mitochondria in mother's egg with the healthy mitochondria from a donor. Okay, so what causes a mitochondrial diseases? Basically a defected mitochondria from a mother. Okay, so in this MRT therapy, what happens? A defective mitochondria is removed from a original parent and a nuclear DNA is removed from the donor mother. Okay, what are the techniques? So there are basically two techniques. One is pronuclear transfer treatment and second one is spindle transfer treatment. Okay, we will see each of them. What is pronuclear transfer treatment? Basically, as you can see in this particular picture, so this is basically a patient couple in the sense the mother who has been affected with mitochondrial diseases. Okay, and this is the donor couple who are healthy, right? They both give their eggs, right? So in the affected couple, the mitochondria which is affected is being removed, and from the healthy couple, the nucleus, right, the nucleus is being removed, so that the child do not inherit any traits or characteristics from the donor parents, right? So after removal of mitochondrial and the nucleus, they both are transfused through in vitro fertilization. That is fertilization that takes place in laboratory, right? And once the embryo or zygote is formed, it is again placed back to the uterus of the mother, the original mother, and this is how pronuclear transfer takes place, right? So and the second one is spindle transfer. What is spindle transfer? Very, very simple. This is again mother's egg and this is the donor's egg, right? As egg will carry both mitochondrial DNA and nuclear DNA, the nuclear DNA from the donor egg is removed, right? As you can see this blue part, this is basically a nuclear DNA. It is removed and the nuclear DNA from the original mother egg is taken out. They both are transplanted, and here the mitochondrial DNA of donor and the nuclear DNA of original mother is transfused, and it is again fertilized with the sperm to give birth to a child. Okay, so this is the second process, that is spindle transfer technique. Okay, what are the benefits of MRT? It is again the disease prevention. One very, very important fact is there 6,000 babies are affected by mitochondrial diseases, but there are no effective prevention technique, right? So through MRT, this particular disease can be prevented. The second one is genetic connection, right? As the women, they grow older, their genetic or their eggs become weaker, right? So this technique can again give them a chance to conceive a baby even in their older age with the genetic connection, right? The third is reproductive freedom. In today's time, we talk about same-sex marriages, right? So let's say if there are two women couples, right? So one can give their mitochondrial DNA and the other woman can give their nuclear DNA, and they both can have a genetic reproduced child, right? So this is how MRT is beneficial in the case of same-sex couples, right? What are the ethical concerns? The ethical concerns are basically eugenics and designer babies. What is eugenic? Eugenic is basically a choice of traits or characteristics that we want in the future generation to make our future generation healthy, right? Like we decide what is the amount of IQ we want, what is the kind of traits we want, right? Athletic skills, perfect vision. This is how we design the babies, and using MRT we can go for this particular things, which is again brings the ethical concern issue of mitochondrial donor's role in child's life, right? The donor mother who gives her mitochondrial DNA, she will have some sort of emotional connection with the child. So this is how it can hamper the life of the child, right? What is the conclusion? If MTD, that is mitochondrial donation technique, is to be implemented in the country, the regulatory body that governs its users avoid any unethical practices, right? There should be a strict regulatory body to regulate this particular technique, and there should be proper clinical trials because it is still in its nascent stage, right? So that the effective data can be collected and the safety and efficacy of the technique can be maintained throughout. So with this, we are done with this today's topic. I am hoping that it has not taken more than 5 minutes, but I can assure you 25 to 30 marks. So देखते रहें, and guys, ensure to hit the subscribe button and also like and share the video with your close ones. Thank you for watching.